wanna lie, we've been feeling right. Tell me that you want me. Hoodie with the stripes, turning down the
Message ko po kay tatay. Unang-una, I want to thank him for everything na ginawa niya sa amin. To nanay and sa mga anak niya, and sa amin, especially sa mga apo niya. Sobrang selfless niya. And message ko lang, bawasan na yung inom, be healthy, have a healthy living. Kasi gusto ko pa po namin makasama ng mas matagal. And gusto ko po namin na ma-witness mo yung success ng ibang mga apo. Yun lang po, mahal na mahal ka namin, and happy birthday.
I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna.
Si tatay po, sobrang bait niya. And naalala ko po nung bata kaming magpipinsan. Usually, lahat po kami sa kanila naiiwan. Lalo na po ako kasi yung mom and dad ko, nung bata ako, nag-work sila. So, naiiwan ako kay tatay, kay nanay. Tapos yun, siya actually yung tumayo na father figure sa akin.
You were passing by, you probably didn't know me. Never let us fall, this is all I want, just us. I just wanna know if you could love me like I do.
Dinadaalan sa tawa ang lahat. Kaya lang pa, uminit ang ulo talagang galit siya. At saka, wala kami masasabi sa kabain.
I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you.
Ang sinasabi dun sa Bible na mamuhay tayo ng may karunungan. Bakit ng may karunungan? Kasi hindi lang tayo kakain, katulad ng kwento, hindi lang tayo iinom, hindi lang tayo magtatrabaho, kundi mas mahigit pa. Kasi tinitingnan natin na darating ang araw, tayo ay makakapunta doon sa tinatawag na buhay na walang hanggan.
Feel love. I just feel love with you. I just feel love with.
Magbigay ng uri ng bulaklak. 1, 2, 3, go! Rose!
I just wanna feel more with you. I just really wanna feel it more with you. I just wanna feel more with you.
Happy birthday, tatay! More blessings to come, and God bless you. Sinong lolo mo?
Patricio!
Panis! We love you!